guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Disney Princess Moana in Avatar world. So here I'm going to show you step by step on how the exact combinations of outfits and accessories in Avatar world to recreate a perfect Moana avatar. Now let's just get started. First, you can change the skin tone. For the skin tone, I'm going to make it a little bit darker using this colors right here. For the eyes, I'm going to change the color into a dark brown. Let's just scroll all the way down. I'm going to use this eyes and change the color to brown. You can also add eyebrow. I'm going to use this one's right here. Let's use a dark color, this one. And for the mouth, I'm going to just use a smiley one, this one in here. And let's change the clothes. First, I'm going to change the bottom. I'm going to use a skirt, this skirt right here, and change the color into a pale yellow color, this color right here. Now let's move on to create the hair first. So in here, you can go to this place first and head into the backstage to find the hair salon or the hair dresser. Okay, so in here, add your Moana avatar, and in here I'm going to use these hairstyles right here. Click on a check icon and go back to the avatar edit menu. Let's edit the hair, so click on hair in here, change the color to black for the hair. And in here for the, I'm going to change it into this one. And now click on this one and again change the color to black. Okay, so now we're done with the hair, and let's click on the accessory. So I'm going to put on this belt right here. Now let's change the top. You can go back again. Now you can go to this little shop in here, and okay, so now I'm going to grab these items right here and put it on to this girl. So now this is Moana looks for you. I forgot to get rid of the shoe. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.